Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add friends onto your game on Heyday. So let's get started right away. Now, first of all, open up the Heyday game on your device, and if you have already completed the basic tutorials and you have moved forward within your game, you will find the Friends tab at the bottom right corner. Go ahead and tap on it and this will open up the Friends tab. Now, you will be shown all of the friends that you have added within this page as well. And if you haven't already logged into your account, you will need to connect to your Supercell ID, as you will see the login button alongside your friends. You can simply proceed with logging into your account, and after logging in, you can add any of your desired friends that you have within your Supercell ID. Just tap on the menu icon and then click on Settings. And now from the settings page, just tap on your Supercell ID and you will find the Add Friends button. Go ahead and click on the Add button, and now you can either scan a QR code and also share your link to your profile, and you can also click on the last option to add any of your existing friend. Tap on this last option to add any friend, and this will show you all of your friends within the Supercell ID that have been connected with the Heyday game. You can simply tap on any of your friends and tap on the Send Friend Request button, and once they accept your request, you will become friends with this user on the Heyday game. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add your friends onto the Heyday game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.